Hello, you are all welcome. Today we want to find the value of x, given that you have x plus y equals 6 and xy equals 36. Now from here, let's name this as question 1 and let's name this as question 2. From this equation 1, we can have our x to be equals 6 minus y. Then we can name this as equation 3. So when we name this as equation 3, let's substitute this equation 3 into equation what? 2. So this implies we have 6 minus y, then again multiply by y equals 36. So by opening the bracket, this times this we have here to be 6y. This times this we have here to be minus y squared to be equals 36. So guys, we want to make sure that the power of this one is not negative, or this one is not negative. So we can take the whole of this to the other side, and so this implies we have 36 plus y squared minus 6y to be equals 0. So if that one equals 0, this implies that from here we can have this as y squared minus 6y plus 36 to be equals 0. Now let's find the possible value of y. Let's use quadratic formula as y equals minus b, positive or negative, root of b squared minus 4ac, then all divided by 2a. Now, how are we going to get the value of a? We must know that the coefficient of y to the power of 2 is our a equals 1. Then the coefficient of y, which equals minus 6, is our b. Then the constant value, which equals 36, is our c. Now by substituting everything here, we are going to have this as, so from here we are going to have our y, our minus b is already minus 6, plug it here, we have it to be 6, positive or negative, root of minus 6 squared minus 4 multiplied by our a is 1, our c is 36, then divided by 2 multiplied by a is 1. So we're going to have this as y equals 6, positive or negative, root of 36 minus 4 multiplied by 36 will be minus 144 divided by 2. Now we have our y to be equals 6, positive or negative. So we have 36 minus this will be square root of minus 108, then divided by 2. Now, from here, we are going to have our y to be equals 6, positive or negative, root of minus 1 times 108, then divided by 2. So our y will now be equals 6, positive or negative, root of 108 multiplied by root of minus 1, all divided by 2. So we are going to have this as y equals 6, positive or negative, roots of 33 times 36 will give us 108 multiplied by I. Root of minus 1 is I in complex number divided by 2. So we have our x to be equal 6, positive or negative. Root of we have here to be root 3 multiplied by root of 36 multiplied by I divided by 2. Our y will now be equals 6, positive or negative. Root of 36 will be 6 root 3I divided by 2. So when we distribute these two for this, we have here to be 6 divided by 2, positive or negative, 6 root 3I divided by 2, and this will now be equals 3, positive or negative, 3 root 3I. So 2 here 1, 2 in this will be 3, 2 here 1, 2 in this will also be 3. So therefore, we have our y1 to be equals 3 plus 3 root 3I, then our y2 equals 3 minus 3 root 3I. Now to get the corresponding value of x, so to get the corresponding value of x, we have our x to be equals 6 minus y. Now for x1, it will be 6 minus y1 will definitely be equals 6 minus our y1 equals this. It will be definitely equals minus 3 root 3I. Then this one will now be equals we are going to get the value of this to be equals x1 equals 3 minus 3 root 3I. Definitely, our x2 will also be equals 3 plus 3 root 3I. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye. And here are the steps.